Your ex is stringing you along and you don't know what to do. Hi, this is Coach Abby with Love Advice TV. Welcome back. We are so unbelievably excited to have you part of our audience. I think that all of our videos are dedicated to you. They're all about you. It's not about us. So with this one in particular, I think it's interesting. You know, when you think that a person is completely leaving you behind, guess what? That's when you have to respond. And you know how you respond? No contact. Your presence is more incredibly presence in their life than if you were there. So what I would like for you to do is, if that person all of a sudden decides, guess what? I've got it all together. I'm not going to just talk with them. I'm not going to reach out. You don't reach out of there. And you don't reach out in complete silence. It creates such an incredible presence. I love no contact. And I love no contact because it allows us to do two things. In the interim period, obviously, we do our own personal transformation. Whether we need it or not, we always need personal transformation. But among that, what we do is we do damage control. So the point is to completely distance yourself from him or her. And this way you can, more than anything, send such subliminal messages. It's no longer, guess what? You own the story. No. The story belongs to us. And that story is so important for everyone to captivate. Because if you think that all of a sudden that, that you are going to be there for them or you are going to be available at all times, it doesn't work. It really doesn't. Absence creates presence. Never forget that. It's such an important thing. I want you to be the best that you are in everything that you're doing. I want you to showcase it. I want you to showcase it in social media, but not to him or her directly. I think it's important that they feel your absence. Again, that absence creates your presence. It would be my pleasure once again to be able to be available to you, to coach you through this. Share my experience, see why we do what we do with such an incredible amount of power, with such an incredible amount of excellence. And that's what With My Ex Again is all about. We are a team that we are able to literally bring people back together. I want to bring your mate back together with you. Please give me any type of comments down below. Let me know what you think. Know that I'm here for you. Coach Abby, thank you.